This is going to be a short
This is
video
going to be a short video that's for a
kind of
very
problem
specific kind of problem
that you can do some
that you can do
comparing
some comparing numbers without even having to work the problems out all
So
the
first
way.
thing I notice is
So first thing I notice is a whole number times a fraction is
than the whole
less
number.
than the whole number.
That's going to make sense. If I
That's
have
going to make sense. If I have
5 halves,
five
that's
halves, that's less than
half
5,
of
or half of
is
5
5.
is less than 5.
9
9
quarters
quarters is less than 9,
or
or a quarter of 9 is less than 9.
A whole number times
A whole number times a fraction is larger than the fraction, though. So 5 halves is bigger than half. 9 quarters is bigger than a quarter.
And
And
then
this one's kind of interesting. A fraction times a fraction is less than either fraction.
So if I'm taking a fraction times
So if I'm taking a fraction times a fraction, my numbers are going to be getting smaller.
So 3/4 times a
So
half
3/4 times a half is less than the half. Because we're really saying 3/4 of times means of. 3/4 of a half is less than a half. Yeah, because I don't have the whole half.
1/4
of a half
is less than 1/4.
1/4.
Oh, what if I word it the other way?
What if I word it the other way? 1/2 of 1/4 is less than 1/4.
So my strategy
for doing this
is I just look at
the numbers. I got 7 times 4 fifths, and I got 7 over here. Instead of me having to remember what I just said about the fractions and stuff, what I'm going to do is just put a box over the numbers that are the same. I see a 7 on this side and a 7 on that side. Boom, cover them up with a box. And now we're sort of like, let's make a deal days. Over here, you can have 4 fifths of a box. Or over here, you can have the whole box.
Well, a whole box.
Well, a whole box would be more.
Again, I'm looking for the one.
That's the same on both sides. 7/8. Cover them both up. Over here, I get the box. Over here, I get half of a box.
Most people will want the whole
box.
6 times 2 ninths and 2
6 times 2 ninths and 2 ninths.
Boxing up the 2 ninths.
Boxing up the 2 ninths.
This time it looks a little bit.
different because
people would like to think.
When it says 6 of box, really it's 6 of
whatever's in that box.
Whatever's in that box. You got 6 of those boxes.
Think of it that way.
6 of those boxes. Where over here you only got 1 of those boxes.
People would want to have 6.
People would want to have 6 of them.
Stop the video
every time for the next few, and you try them out.
3/8 of a box.
3/8 of a box.
A box.
I would want the whole box.
Cover up my 6s.
3/8 of a box. A box. I want the whole box.
Covering up 3 fifths.
Because it's the same in both one.
I have a box
and 4 fifths of a box.
I want the whole box. This time I got 4 fifths.
On both sides. So I got 7 of the boxes. 1 of the box.
7.
I want the 7.
9 on both sides.
6
at the box.
1/6 at the box. Or the box.
One more. Stop the video.
And you try it out.
Covering up 4 fifths on
both sides. So now I have 1/4 of a box.
And I have a box.
I would rather have the whole box.
So this strategy
only will work like if I have a number that's the same on both sides. This could have worked also if there was whole numbers instead of fractions.